4 degrees, and that's exactly where it should be for this time of year. And we're going to have a fair amount of sunshine, at least for the first part of the day. The UV index will be up at 7, and that's still high. But we have clouds moving in, and that'll begin early this afternoon. So by the end of the afternoon, it'll be mainly cloudy conditions. And then showers in the forecast beginning later on this evening. Temperatures overnight is going to drop down to about 15 degrees. Now, this is a very strong system moving through ever so slowly through the Montreal region. So we will have rain and lots of it tomorrow, off and on through.
No, did you damage your car?
No.
No, don't worry about it then.
And not yours either.
It's okay.
You're bigger than me. I'm really sorry.
Oh, it's alright. No problem. Okay, people, man. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna get fucking rear-ended in traffic.